So what do dominoes and your health goals have in common? So I read this the other day. This is fascinating to me. So if we had 13 dominoes, and the first one's 5 millimeters high and 1 millimeter wide, if we lined up 13 of them, each time we hit a domino over, it's going to create more force. So the 13th domino that we could knock over is 3 feet tall. That's an enormous amount of shift. How does that relate to your health goals? Well, number one, sometimes we want to make these drastic changes, but it might be a better approach to do micro habits. For example, I'm going to drink more water today. I'm going to wake up earlier and take a walk, whatever it may be. But as we go with these micro habits, each domino we get to knock over is going to build up more force. So consequently, if we had 29, the first is 5 millimeter, the last one's going to be the size of the Empire State Building. So we could accomplish great things, and a great life can be accomplished by having a great day. So win the day, moment by moment by moment, by making those choices, those health choices to move and create the habits you want. I'm Dr. Adam Waddell from North River Family Chiropractic, and our commitment to this community is to help you take back your health. So like the video, share it. If you have any questions, let us know. We're here to help, and we'll see you in the office.